Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to make eggless Nutella mousse. For this recipe, you will need 18 to 20 digestive biscuits, 50 grams of butter, 350 grams of Nutella, and 1.5 cup of heavy cream. In a grinder, add some digestive biscuits and grind them into fine crumbs. Now melt the butter in a microwave. Combine the butter and biscuit crumbs and mix well. In each cup, add around 1 teaspoon of the biscuit and butter mixture and put it in the refrigerator till we prepare the mousse. Before we start whipping the heavy cream, in a big bowl, add lots of ice and cold water and put another bowl on it. Now add the heavy cream and whip it using an electric whisk till soft peaks form. Now add the Nutella and gently fold with a spatula. Put the Nutella mousse in the cups and refrigerate overnight before serving.